the first two had all the numbers on there where they belong. This one does not, means I'm going to have to be careful and put my numbers in the right spot. So it says the angle of elevation at y is 25. So the angle of elevation is ground up. Angle of elevation at D is 56. Okay, so I put my angles in there. I don't normally do that. Usually I would just highlight them like this. All right. It doesn't matter which one you do. A, B, sorry, that's not one. D angle is 56. All right. So I'll put the numbers in there. Make sure you put them in the corner if you are going to put them in there. It says AB is 502. That's over here. And it says find DY. So this is the same setup we've had for 1 and 2. So I want to identify my right triangles. All right, so I know where they are. So let's put one in blue here. So here's one of my right triangles right there. There's my blue right triangle. And I'll put another one orange. So there's my orange right triangle. Remember, it has to have a right angle in it. All right, we do really want to overlap if we can. All right, so what am I going to figure out from these to get left with a question mark? Well, I'm going to find this, call it A. And then I'm going to find this, and I'll call it B. I'm going to find those two sides, and then I'm going to do B minus A, and that's going to give me the question mark. So there's my plan. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to find B, I'm going to find A, and then I'm going to get the question mark spot. All right, now, there's angles involved, so it's a SOHCAHTOA problem. Probably. Especially for the this unit. So it's a SOHCAHTOA problem because of an angle involved. So let's do the blue triangle first. All right, so the blue triangle. Hypotenuse is right there. Opposites right there. Adjacents down here. I am going to want to use the adjacent and the opposite because I know the opposite. I want to know the adjacent. That means the blue triangle is going to be a tangent problem. So the opposite and adjacent is tangent. The opposite is 502. The angle is 56. I don't know the adjacent. Since I know the angle, it is a cross multiply problem. 1.482. Whoops, I did not. I should have a X under it. So I get 502 equals 1.482 blah 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 x divided by 1.482 blah 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 divided by 1.482 blah blah blah. Power 2 divided by that number is going to give me 338.603. X, that's A. So do the same thing with B. All right, so I have orange. There, orange pen. So let's label the sides of our orange triangle. So hypotenuse is going to be over here. Opposite, again, they're ignoring the blue stuff because it's not there, it's not important for this, and that's going to be the adjacent. All right, so now, what am I going to do for this one? Okay, probably it's tangent just because, but let's check it out here. I want to know the adjacent again, and I know the opposite. And the opposite is 502 for both of these triangles. So it's going to be a tangent problem again. So I come over here, and I say tangent of the angle equals the fraction. The opposite is 502. The angle is 25. Adjacent I don't know. Since I know the angle, I'm going to put it over 1. So tangent 25 is 0.466. 0.466, blah, blah, blah. 502, 0.466. X divided by that decimal. Thousand 76.542. That's our B side, and then I'm going to subtract these two. And that would be my question mark side. So 1076 737.939. So 737.939. Blah. Nearest tenth of a foot again. Round that 9 using the 3, 737.9. So we had a lot of subtraction there. If you are good with the subtraction ones, skip down towards the end, and there's some ones where you have to actually add the stuff together so you can do the difference.